Good morning, champs. Why is the directional derivative equal to the dot product with the gradient? This formula appears everywhere in multivariable calculus, but instead of just memorizing it, let's prove it step by step. The directional derivative tells us how fast a function changes if we move in a specific direction. The gradient tells us the direction of steepest increase. So these two ideas should be closely connected. And in fact, the directional derivative in a unit direction vector equals the dot product of the gradient with that vector. Now let's prove it carefully. Let f of xy be a differentiable function, and let u be a vector with components u1 and u2, and assume it has length 1. We want to measure how fast the function changes if we move from the point xy in the direction u. To describe that motion, we define a path. We write gamma of t equals x plus t times u1 and y plus t times u2. So as t changes, we move along a straight line starting at xy in the direction u. Now evaluate the function along this path. We get f of x plus t u1 and y plus t u2. The directional derivative is defined as the derivative of this expression at t equals 0. So we differentiate with respect to t. Here, f depends on two variables and both depend on t. So we use the chain rule. Step by step, this gives the derivative equals partial f with respect to x times the derivative of x plus t u1 plus partial f with respect to y times the derivative of y plus t u2. Now compute the inner derivatives. The derivative of x plus t u1 is just u1, and the derivative of y plus t u2 is u2. So the whole expression becomes partial f with respect to x times u1 plus partial f with respect to y times u2. Now we evaluate this at t equals 0. So we get the directional derivative at xy equals partial f with respect to x at xy times u1 plus partial f with respect to y at xy times u2. Now comes the key observation. The gradient is the vector made of the partial derivatives, partial f with respect to x and partial f with respect to y. And u is the vector with components u1 and u2. So what we have is exactly the dot product between these two vectors. Therefore, the directional derivative equals the gradient dotted with u. And that is exactly what we wanted to prove. Geometrically, this tells us something very important. The gradient contains all the information about how the function changes. The vector u tells us the direction in which we move. Their dot product measures how much of the gradient points in that direction. So if u points in the same direction as the gradient, the change is maximal. If u is perpendicular to the gradient, there is no change at all. Quick recap. We described motion using a path, inserted it into the function, applied the chain rule step by step, and recognized the result as a dot product. And that proves that the directional derivative equals the gradient dotted with the direction vector.